I'm the root beer guy, and today I'll be tasting Diet Yacht Club. It has some bite, but the aspartame doesn't add much sweetness. It tastes quite extracty, and the flavor leaves quickly. 2 out of 5.